Sir, are there things that actors do off screen very deliberately to make sure that they do insanely well? For example, when it comes to teaching, most people only see the professor teach. But what I've observed is that great professors spend weeks into crafting a lecture for a particular batch. And that was something that was quite counterintuitive because we thought that this guy is teaching the same subject and he's been doing this for 15 years. So he would just do it impromptu. But there's a lot of method to it. Are there certain methods that people follow off screen so deliberately?
Different people follow different methods.
Okay.
There are some actors who don't like to rehearse at all.
Okay.
They just want to do it then and there. I'm not one of those.
Okay.
I feel that the more I'm familiar with my lines, the more I rehearse, the better I get.
Okay.
A lot of people feel that बार बार करने से वो चीज स्टेल हो जाती है. अरे यार मैंने इतने दफा कर दिया, अब स्टेल हो गया. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक द शॉट स्टेल. मेरे को फ्रेश करना है. बट अच्छा एक्टर 200 दफा भी करेगा, आपको फ्रेश ही लगेगा. चार्ली चैपलिन, he used to rehearse like a madman.
Okay.
200 rehearsals. 200 takes. 200 times he used to reshoot the scene until he was happy with what he got. He didn't move. आप उसकी book पढ़ो. Any book on Charlie Chaplin will tell you this. He really believed in rehearsals. But when you see his work finally, you feel it's happening spontaneously. You cannot make out कि इसने 100 दफा rehearse किया ये चीज. A good actor, it doesn't matter whether he is rehearsed or not. वो एक certain level तो hit करेगा ही करेगा. So there was Zaira, for example, in Secret Superstar, and she was also in Dangal, Zaira. Yeah. She was playing young Geeta. So she's a natural. See, some people are naturals. Sachin Tendulkar, he's a natural. Uska hand-eye coordination naturally अच्छा होगा. But that does not mean Sachin Tendulkar has not spent hours in the net.
Yeah.
He has spent hours in the net, perfecting every shot, getting bouncers bowled to him so that he can deal with each time a bouncer comes, he has to know how to react to it. You know, I'm not a cricketer, so I can't say more than this. But I'm saying he has spent a lot of time, you know, practicing. And perfecting what he's doing. So I'm also someone, I'm not very confident of my memory. Never have been. I was never very good at academics also.
Okay.
तो मुझे लगता है कि यार मैं सीन को जो है ना, मुझे घोट के पी लेना है. बाय हार्ट करना है मुझे. 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 3s are 6. ऐसे हम लोग जो टेबल सीखते ना, मेरे को वैसे लाइन सीखनी है. तो माई ब्रेन डजंट हैव टू थिंक. वो उसके अंदर घुस गया है. एक्शन करके लाइंस बाहर आनी चाहिए. यू नो, कॉइन डाला, लाइंस आई बाहर. It should be that's how I'm comfortable. Now, once the lines are with me, they become my lines. Now they're not the writer's lines. I own the lines now. Now I can play in the scene. But अगर मैं शॉट के टाइम पे लाइन ही याद कर रहा हूँ और मेरे चेहरे पे दिख रहा है कि इसको नेक्स्ट लाइन तो याद नहीं है, थोड़ा पॉज लेके बोल रहा है, तो समझ में आता है कि इसको लाइन ही याद नहीं है यार. ये अभी तक लाइन नहीं सीख गया. जब आपने लाइन सीखी नहीं है तो आप फिर उसके साथ खेलोगे क्या? You're struggling with memory during the take. And on the day of the shooting, a shooting day is very expensive.
Yeah.
So at that time, you don't have time to waste. कि भाई उसको तो लाइन ही याद नहीं है, एक काम करो 2 घंटा ब्रेक लो, उसको पहले लाइन सिखाओ. Oof, that's very unprofessional of actors. When they, I believe that an actor coming to set without learning his lines, he's not done his first job only. Needs to be sacked. Immediately.
Sir, after learning the lines, what's the method of practice?
That you rehearse and the director will guide you, the directors will guide you. You have your own instinct. You'll come to know कि यार ये correct बैठ रहा है कि नहीं बैठ रहा. That's the rehearsal process.
Like, do you do it in front of the mirror or in front of
the
camera?
No, I do it with the actors I'm working with, or sometimes with assistants who are giving me cues. Yeah.
Understood. Hi guys, if you loved watching this clip and if you want to do a deep dive into the podcast, we've mentioned the link in the description. So click that link, watch that podcast and take notes. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more clips.